Hi, I'm Susan. Today is Scrappy Saturday and I've got lots of scraps and I'm very short on pockets and tabs. So what I thought I would do is some of my book pages, I thought I would just make pockets out of them, and I have a lot of thick cardstock that offcuts from when I made a photo album for my sons and husband for Christmas, but they're nice and sturdy, so I thought I would make some tags with them. So let's get started. I hope y'all are having a great day, a great weekend. I'm gonna just trim these up a little bit so that they are straight. Let me see. I'm going to use my trimmer. I just want to kind of straighten them up a little bit. Some of these tags, let's see what we want, what size. That should get us started. Okay. Now I'm just going to make sure everything is glued down. Well, I think I'll use my art glitter glue because I don't want this to come up at all. I'm just gonna get some scraps and go from there. Let's see what a good one to start off with. And I'm just gonna start gluing them and just pretty much collaging. Don't know what we'll get. This is cardstock, so I think I'll use my art glitter glue for it. Everything's sticky over here. I think that's cute. And now all we'll need is a focal point. And I think I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a tag that will coordinate with it. That'll be good. And I'm just going to cut that. Let's see, we've got some of this. Here we go. And we'll decorate and we'll have a coordinated tag if we want to use it that way. So I will continue gluing and let you watch. Well, here are some of the tags that I've done, and I went ahead and decorated them. So we've got this one. The backgrounds just make a world of difference. That one. That one. And this one just lends itself to fall. Got that one. That one. That's my tags. And then my pockets. I've got that. That one. That one. That one. And that one. And I love how they turned out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. It really helps my channel to grow, and I really do appreciate it and love reading them. And until next time, bye y'all.